Alright gents, here we are back with the GTI. If you've been following on Instagram, you would have seen that we just picked this up from Artec, and it's had all the work done to it now. So I'm going to be doing a POV first proper ride in it soon. But I asked people on Instagram what they might want to see before that, and people generally said they just wanted an overview of the specs and to hear the exhaust as well, the full system. So that's what we're going to do in this video, and then we'll do a PO video soon. So it's been fitted with a full turbo back exhaust from Cobra. It's a Decat exhaust, and it's had a Revo cold air intake as well. Other little bits I've put on: GFB diverter valve plus, replaced the PCV, but other than that, not much, to be honest. We've not changed the intercooler, we're not doing anything with the fuel pump, but we still managed to get 290 bhp off the stage 2 tune from Artec, so really good figures. So yeah, let's just have a listen to the exhaust, and then we'll do some flyby sounds as well. Alright guys, there you go. Quick look at some of the mods, exhaust sound. Look out for the next video, which is going to be a POV drive. I'm just sorting out some of the technical parts, the camera and stuff, but that will be a first proper drive POV video. If there's anything else you want to see apart from that, let me know. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Peace.